Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Fall 2021 Eczema Sample Store Seasonal Subscription Box Unboxing. I love sharing my Eczema Sample Store boxes on my channel because I know what it's like to suffer with eczema. I have dealt with eczema ever since I was a kid and really badly at times. So if I can help anyone out who has eczema or knows someone who has eczema with this video, then that's so worth it to me. I just love this company. They send seasonal subscription boxes that have samples of products that are curated for people that deal with eczema. And I have found such great relief from the products that I've gotten in these boxes. So I love this company. I think that they do such an amazing job of helping people that are struggling with eczema. So I do want to give a disclaimer that this box was sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. These boxes cost $45 a season. I do have a $5 off code, which I will have linked in the description down below if you are interested in subscribing. So that will save you $5 off of your first box. But you get so many products in these boxes. Like, this box is heavy. I am so excited to get into it and show you what I got in here. Oh, and a sweet handwritten note. Like I said, I love this company and they have great product information and a great helpful website that has a lot of resources. Oh my gosh, there is so much in here. So in this bag here, oh, I recognize the brand Mugu. Oh, and this is baby products. But I've tried out some Mugu products before that I learned about through this Eczema Sample Store box because I wasn't familiar with this brand beforehand. But this is the Natural Mini Moo Bubbly Wash for children and babies with sensitive skin, SLS free. So that's, oh, there's two of these Mugu Bubbly Wash. Oh, and a hand sanitizer from the brand Pipit. Fragrance-free, eliminates 99.99% of many harmful germs and bacteria. And a few Purell singles. Those are so great to have. I'm gonna have to throw those into my purse. Next, so cool. This is from the brand Sensitive Home. It says, enjoy this sample of Sensitive Home free and clear laundry detergent. So laundry detergent can be something that you don't even think about as something that could irritate eczema. So I love that this even exists. This is so cool. Tough on stains, safer for skin. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, I see another adorable product in here. I think this is from the brand True Kid. Sensitive Care Bubble Pods. Oh my gosh, like these seriously do look like little like powder pods, so like you would put in a dishwasher or something. The best natural bubble bath ever. No mess or waste, unscented. Accepted from National Eczema Association. Made in the USA. What an awesome product. And it says for hair and body. So cute. Oh my gosh. I wish I knew about these products when I was a kid and struggling with my eczema. I'm just so happy to see that these exist. Next up, oh, from the brand Aveeno Baby. How perfect. Eczema Therapy Nighttime Balm. It has colloidal oatmeal skin protectant cream. This is also accepted from the National Eczema Association, which I love that that association exists. Like, it just makes me feel like I'm not alone in suffering with eczema. So this is steroid-free, fragrance-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and hypoallergenic. Full-size product here. Like, wow, I've already pulled out so many products in this box and there are still so many more. You get such great value in this box. Next is from the brand Curel, and this is the Daily Healing Original Lotion for Dry Skin. Heals dryness and retains moisture for over 24 hours. And as I say that, I am looking at my dry hands, so I'm actually gonna throw some of this on right now. I can tend to get eczema on like my fingertips, which sometimes it just pops up on random fingers and it's awful. Right now, knock on wood, I'm doing okay with not having any eczema breakouts, but I've come to realize what causes eczema breakouts is when I just kind of seem to have like more inflammation in my body. So like it's a real bummer that if I go on like a long vacation, even a week long, I'm probably gonna start to get eczema because of the way I'm like eating and drinking and just not living as healthy of a lifestyle. So yeah, it's great to have these products on hand for when that does happen to me, because it's not like I'm going to never enjoy vacation, you know? Next up, this is from the brand Summer and Bloom. Relieve It, for the relief of symptoms associated with eczema, dermatitis, and psoriasis. It says, apply it to clean, dry skin 3 times a day. So kind of just like a treatment cream, I guess. Wow. Like I was saying, great products to have on hand, because even though I have pretty much figured out when I am going to get eczema and how to treat and kind of prevent my eczema, sometimes it does just pop up, maybe with the change of the weather. Also, when it gets really cold, my skin gets extra dry. So I love getting this subscription box every season to make sure that I am kept up with the products that are going to help me. Also, I love that it is curated to the season. So like in the summer, I got sunscreens that were good for sensitive skin. Now, as it's at the fall, looks like I'm getting good products for like very cold, dry types of environments. Ooh. Another full-size product here. This is from Cetaphil, and it's the Pro Restoraderm Soothing Wash. So clinically proven to moisturize dry skin while cleansing, soap-free, accepted by the National Eczema Association. So I believe this is a body wash. That's great, because that's another thing where I love a scented body wash, but fragrances can really irritate eczema and irritate sensitive skin. So sometimes you've just got to switch to something like this. Next up, from the brand Upcircle, I think, Tube Squeezer. Oh, cool! To roll out every last drop from your tube. I have actually always been wanting one of these. So you can put on like your toothpaste, whatever tube, to push it down. Simply slide across the top of the tube and twist. Universal usage, can be applied to many kinds of tubes. This is so cool. Yeah, I have actually never used one of those before. I have gotten creative and I've like rolled tubes and put like a clip to hold it, but now I have an actual tool designed for that purpose. Next up, this is from the brand Dr. Pawpaw Shea Butter Balm. Multi-purpose soothing balm using papaya fruit. Hydrating for lips, skin, cuticles, and many more uses. I love balm products like this. I have found such great use. I've gotten some from the brand Dr. Lip that I really enjoy. Actually, one of those completely healed up my eczema breakup that I had on my eyelids not too long ago. So I'm really interested to try this one out. I have not heard of this before. And I've also got here from the brand Teddy's Eczema Bar, the Oat Cleansing Balm, soothing on eczema-prone skin. How cool. Yeah, I think this is just like a soap. Let's see what it looks like. Neat. I love that a lot of these products support smaller businesses and businesses that are just trying to do good for people that are suffering with eczema, and I just love to see it. This is made from just colloidal oatmeal, African black soap, saponified glycerin soap base. So 3 ingredients. And at the bottom here, I have some information on the Teddy's Eczema Bar that I was just talking about. Ooh, and this is a Face Tory Oats My Bananas Soothe and Protect Fragrance-Free Facial Sheet Mask. cool. And oh my gosh, how cute is this packaging? I love to see a sheet mask that's fragrance free, so it's safe for sensitive skin. This is awesome. So yeah, that's all of the products that came in this box, and there are so many. I'm so excited about these, and I'm so impressed by the range of products, the size of these products. I mean, we got skincare, body care, moisturizers, laundry detergent, sanitizer, tools, soap, like everything that you need. So I love this. I keep saying it every time I unbox these, that I'm so impressed. So if you know someone that has eczema, you should definitely get them this box or send them this website, because I wish that I had known about this sooner. So if it can help someone else out there, I hope that it does. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.